Alright, what's up y'all? We got the formerly abandoned Yanmar tractor behind us. Everybody keeps asking me for an update, so here it is. So y'all know when it comes to my Yanmar tractor tips, you can trust me. I'm a mechanic. So everybody keeps asking me, what's going on with the Yanmar? You know, it's still running, you still got it. I still got it. It's right here behind me, obviously. It hasn't really needed much work, so I haven't made any videos on it in a long time. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's a Yanmar YM2000B update. So I'm greasing it up right now. We got this grease gun right here. I'm testing out, so here it is, and it looks like it's gonna do a pretty good job. But so I've been getting in here greasing this thing up. You know, I like these fittings and they snap on there, that way it doesn't make a mess. And then I just get in here with the grease gun, you know, and I just been pumping it up like that. I hadn't been taking much grease, you know. There's some more fittings on the steering down in there, but really this thing hasn't been leaking grease, hasn't really been leaking oil much at all. Just making sure to keep it greased and lubricated. Pop the hood. So, motor's running good. I still need to replace the alternator. It's not charging. I've just left the battery hooked up to a battery tender. Alternator's not charging. Really, other than that, it's fine. I need to change the oil in it. Diesel tank is good since we fixed that. No rust in there. Everything's good. The antifreeze level, the radiator, isn't leaking. That's good. I haven't had any problems, honestly. I had to fix this cap. I had to replace the cap. I had to desolder this under here and resolder it. It was all messed up. So that's good now. No leaks. Had to resolder some of these joints. No leaks in here because this is a brass and copper radiator, so you can fix them easy. But the suspension stuff's good. That's what I'm greasing right now. Battery's good. Everything's good. Hydraulics are good. Y'all know we got down in here and took this whole thing apart, resealed it. It's not leaking. It's not really leaking, you know. But that's been good. Got in there, brakes, everything. Oh yeah, I took these axles off. No leaks from there. No leaks down in here either. So we're good on that. Other than that, tractor's been running great. So we got it out. Might as well take it for a ride, right? Oh yeah, she's running great. I need to get some attachments for it, like a tiller, scrape blade. We need one that's like 4 or 5 feet wide. I think guys said 4-foot one works good on these, basically the width of the rear tires, but it's running great. I haven't had any problems with it, haven't really done much work with it, like I said, because we need to go find us some attachments, but I've been pulling logs with it, you know, a couple 1,000 pounds here and there. Man, this little tractor's got some power to it, guys. Pulled this whole log and didn't break anything yet. I know there's some more work to do. Let's go get it done. Moving boats around, honestly, it really helps with that. Moving empty trailers, full trailers, that kind of stuff is what it's been doing. And it's been doing a good job. So I got a painting video I need to finish up. I can see when I went through, I painted this, painted all this stuff. Why is this tape still on here? Is a good question. But we still need to paint the red. I haven't painted the red yet, so there's that. Kind of leaving it a sleeper. That way we can scratch it up while we're working, don't have to worry about it. But everything's going good. Tires are holding air. Oh, front tires. They've been doing a good job. They've been holding air because if y'all remember, we had to get down in here on one of these, I think it was this one. We had to weld this thing up like crazy because it had pinholes in there. It's been holding air, so I'm happy with that. The tires are good, but I've just been greasing this. The only thing I have noticed is I got a bit of an oil leak down here from the oil pan, well, oil plate. So there's not much I can do about that. It's not really bad. It's kind of just annoying, but it's there. All right, that's it for the video. So let me know if y'all have one of these Yanmar tractors. Guys, keep requesting stuff. Let me know in the comments what you want to see me talk about in the next Yanmar video. Hopefully I can help someone out who's working on one of these to get it restored, back up and running. Check you on the next one. Later.